everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Shenseea makes debut on Billboard's Hot 100. The DJ earned her first entry on the chart with her feature on Ghanaian singer Molly's hit song, Shake It to the Max. The track, which also features Silent Addy and Skillibeng, debuts at number 91 on this week's Hot 100 for the week ending May 31. The track also earned Silent Addy his first entry on the chart and the second for Skillibeng and Molly. Reacting to the news, Molly penned an Instagram post declaring God as the greatest. Skillibeng earned his first entry on the chart with Crocodile Teeth remix featuring Nicki Minaj. Now, Molly marked her debut back in 2020 with a feature on Amory's remix of Sad Girls Love Money. Shirley Ralph ecstatic to have late mother Ivy Ralph's Kariba housed at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Early this month, the museum welcomed the Jamaican legendary fashion designer's piece, the Kariba suit, as a part of this year's Met Gala theme, which celebrated Black dandyism, exploring the rich history of Black style and tailoring. E-Prime spoke with an excited Ralph who shared her joy to have her mother's work included in the museum.
When we got the call from the Metropolitan Museum of Art saying that they wanted to include it in the dandyism, you know, they've got this whole theme of the Met Gala this year was dandyism, Black tailoring for men, or tailoring for Black men, and there is the Kariba front and center, the whole write up about Jamaican and fashion as a rebellion. And I'm so thankful to my mother in heaven, to my daughter who works with me.
The Kariba suit, conceived in the early 1970s, is a two-piece men's outfit designed as a Caribbean alternative to the traditional European suit. It's a style of jacket that's like a more formal version of the common bush shirt and safari jacket worn across Africa. It is worn without a suit and tie, making it more comfortable in a warmer climate.
Michael Manley, he was the one that really bigged up the Kariba by saying, you know, we don't have to just be sons of the UK. We can be our own strong men of the diaspora of Jamaica. And he embraced it. So many men, Kwame Nkrumah, Michael Jackson, all of them had the Kariba, so much so the Jackson 5 had their own version that they performed in. It was quite the thing.
Ralph also revealed that the Kariba will be housed at the Metropolitan Museum of Art up to October, after which it will travel to different states and countries.
After that, Toronto is going to be taking it across Canada, and then it's going to end in the Philadelphia Museum. So listen up. We're gonna foreign.
The announcement was made by Ralph's daughter and stylist, Ivy Coco Maurice, in a heartfelt Instagram post stating that the House of Ivy is in the Met and that she's been holding this sacred secret since last year, August. She continued by saying that this isn't just a win for her family, but a win for Jamaica. She also revealed that she wore a House of Ivy skirt made by her grandmother 64 years ago to view the exhibit, calling the moment full circle. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.